That's a nice sunny afternoon. I'm gonna go into this beehive here. I hope to find the queen, maybe do a mic check. Let's see what's going on. Now, first of all, we have some ants up here. They're after sugar water that's in this pail. I'm going to use this box to put my frames in, at least for now. So let's see what's going on here. They haven't taken much of that sugar water there. I'll put that down. Let's just put it over here. Now I went into this hive not too long ago and it was just as hot as could be. Let's see if they're hot today. The next time I inspected it, they weren't. They were fine. There's one after me, but I'm afraid it's probably from another hive. Looks like they've eaten up just most of the pollen patty here. Let's see if these hive beetle traps been doing any good. Boy, they're stuck in there. There's 2 hive beetles in there. And looks like about 5 or 6 in that one. So my count is lower than it was, which is a good thing. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're still catching them. Bees are being really calm. Only one in there. Now it's just strange because these are crazy mean not too long ago. But they're just being really nice today. If it wasn't for the one that's flying around me, I probably wouldn't need a suit or anything. But they don't like getting stung. Oh boy, that's got some honey in it. I don't see anything on that. Put that in there at least temporarily. That's basically empty. And no queen. Get everything loosened up on this side. Come on, girls, move out of the way. Yes, they're being very nice. I got stung the other day, yesterday, the day before, and it itched for 2 days. So I really don't like doing that. But comes with territory, I guess. I have to move some bees here, or else I'll squash them. All right, girls, come on down. You're in my way. I got a feeling we're going to reduce this to a single deep. That's got some honey in it. No bees even on that. They moved. That's got honey on it. We're good with that. No queen. Wouldn't expect her. Nice frame of honey here. One side. No queen. Honey and pollen. No queen. Now we got some rather spotty brood here. This is last year's queen, so that'd be the reason. They're all huddled down around a little honey there. New but spotty. I don't see any larvae in there either. And no queen. Now they're saying there's no queen in here. So maybe I do have a queen and she's in the bottom box. So they're certainly starting to roar in this box. We got some new larvae in here. No queen. Not much in that. They definitely could use some resources. I think I'm going to probably bring them some honey from up above. Maybe put some sugar water on them. I've got some honey stored. You don't see her on the box, sir. Put that there. All right. See what's down below. I know you can't see, but I'm pulling the second frame out first because it's unlikely she'll be on the first one, and I don't want to squash her. Or as beekeepers say, roll the queen. No, we don't want to do that. There's very little honey in that one. No queen. There's honey in that one. No queen. Yeah, I think this is going to wind up a single deep. This one doesn't have anything in it either. Okay, girls, you need to go down a little bit. They're buzzing with that smoke. There's some brood on that. And there's some larvae. And it looks like there might be some eggs in there. So we definitely got to put this one back in the bottom. And I don't see a queen. While I'm at it, I'm going to put this one honey frame down in here. Yeah, these bees are much calmer than they were, say, 5 weeks ago. You know, could have been the weather. And more brood on there. But again, that's spotty brood. Whoa, she's been filling it in though. More brood. Put that back in. Alright, girls, go on down. More brood. More brood. Not much on that one. And the last one has very little in it too. And so today I don't see the queen. But we know she was in there 4 days ago because there's, oh, look at there. Some pollen in there. I think I'll leave that one in there. We know there's been a queen in here because there's larvae in here. So it only takes about 4 days for it to be capped over. So she's been in 4 days of having larvae in there. So I'm gonna put this back together, and I think I might replace this one with some honey. This one here has got some honey. I'll put it down there for that brood. There's plenty of a drawn open comb here, so it's not like she hasn't got room to lay. Right now I've got 9 frames in here. And I didn't see any swarm cells, so we're good there, or I hope. And we can move this back to the other hive. Let's see. A little brood on that, we'll put it in there too. So if I can, I'll lift this up. I would imagine it's not too heavy because a lot of open honeycomb there. Let's put this back on top.